Biker Dad Report is brought to you by Law Tigers.
Thank you all so much for watching the 4 on 5. A proposed new law takes aim at a very specific group of people, bikers. A lot of people are reading this story today on our website, WKRG.com. Biker Dad blogger Chris Best wrote that story. Chris, some of those bikers are not happy about the proposed new legislation.
In fact, they go as far as to call it profiling because it targets bikers. The Senate bill in Alabama would require all motorcycle riders to wear helmets, which is already the law in Alabama. But it would also require those helmets to have some sort of reflective material on them, and it would make it illegal for retailers to sell helmets without that reflective material.
So what is their biggest issue with this, Chris?
Well, I talked to Matthew Schroeder. He's with Dixie Abate of Alabama. That's a motorcycle rights group. He says it's overreaching and unnecessary. Helmets are already expensive, and with those reflective materials, even more so. He also says it distracts from the real issues like distracted driving and motorcycle safety training, and then the description of what is reflective is also vague.
But it sounds like safety is why this is being proposed, correct?
Well, the motorcyclists say they're already riding around on loud bikes. Most of them have tons of lights on them, and they still go quote unquote unseen on the roads. And I emailed the state senator behind the bill, and I got no response. And then I called his number. He has not set up his voicemail, so I wasn't able to leave him a voicemail. But you can read the entire bill and Schroeder's response on the Biker Dad blog at WKRG.com.
You also have an update to a tragic story we first reported yesterday about a former Mobile County deputy.
Yeah, and actually some good news in this tragedy. A GoFundMe account has raised nearly $10,000 for the family of Joseph Sanders. He moved to Washington State recently and was killed in a motorcycle crash. They're raising the money to bring him back more than 2,000 miles to Mobile to be buried where his family is. You can also find the link to donate to that cause on the Biker Dad blog.
Okay, thanks, Chris. You can keep up with stories like this on WKRG.com and when you follow TV Biker Dad on social media.